Welcome to Hook to Knot. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I make these long tassels. Basically, I have little weakness towards tassels, and wherever possible to the garment or accessories, I like to attach the tassels. Currently, I am on the spree of making granny triangular buntings, which we call as toran, and we put on the main door of our house. This is to welcome prosperity to our house, and aesthetically your door looks beautiful. In my other video I have shown how to make that bunting. Yesterday I was doing a lot of tassels, so one of my friends said, why don't you demonstrate how to do a tassel? To make tassels we are going to need yarn, pair of scissors, darning needle. I'm taking 6-inch measuring tape, smaller beads, bigger beads, and some pearls. As the tassel I have done is little longer in height, I have used 6 inches scale to take the wraps around it. Hold your scale, start taking wraps. I wanted thicker tassel, so I have taken 25 wraps around it. Now this is where I have started wrapping, so I'll hold that and will cut the yarn. After cutting these wraps, we need to cut 2 sets of cords or threads. One would be used to tie the tassel on the top, and one would be used to tie the tassel around the circumference. I have cut 2 extra yarn pieces measuring around 14 to 16 inches each. Now what I will do is I will fold it into half, put my stash on it, just pull it and make it half to start with. Now I will make additional 1 or 2 knots on the top to get some strength to my tying of this tassel. After I put extra knots on this string, what I am going to need is now to attach another yarn and put around this space. Now if I put only like this, it may not have some shape. So what I am going to do is take a wooden bead, put it inside and let it be covered with the all yarn that you are using for tassel. Now this will give definitely some good shape. I will put 1 or 2 knots around this so that the bead is shaped properly, and then we can take some wraps around the place, and then so after putting knots, the shorter portion already goes in the tassel. Then the other end you wrap around maybe 10-12 times and create a distance of about maybe 3 to 4 millimeters, and then put a knot. See this, because of the bead now our tassel has a definite round shape. Now I will create design around these wraps that I have given to the tassel. Just put your stitches evenly and it will look beautiful. And my rainbow tassels are ready to adorn the toran that I will make soon. Wish every viewer of this channel very creative time, and hope they are able to spread the handcrafted happiness wherever they can. Lot many DIY projects will come soon on my channel, so kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.